Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the late video. I didn't upload for 2 weeks, but we had other things to do and there is only so much you can vlog about cars. But today we have a fun video. We're going to drive off-road. Well, as far as that is possible in this area, because there's not much off-roading to do. Other than that, my exhaust tips are facing downwards now because of the exhaust valves, so it's not always possible to go really off-road, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna have some fun and let me know in the comments what you think about it. So guys, not really an off-road video, but more of an country road video. Fact of the matter is, this car can come where other cars can't. For example, in the first couple of minutes you see a road where, well, Mandy cannot come with her car, with the GTI. And, well, let me know in the comments what you think anyway. And we are gonna hit the car wash now for obvious reasons. So if you like this video, leave a blue thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you the next time. Bye guys.